Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Practice Channel, where learning English is easy, practical, and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. It's so good to be here with you today. Anna, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, David. I'm feeling positive, motivated, and a little bit hungry.
A little bit hungry. Uh-oh, that usually means one thing.
Yes, it means today's topic might be about food.
I knew it. I was just thinking about a big, juicy hamburger, crispy fries, and a cold soda. Now I'm really hungry.
David, please. You are making everyone hungry already. But actually, that gives us the perfect topic for today.
That's right. Today we are talking about English conversation at a restaurant.
Yes, going to a restaurant and speaking English confidently. This is a very real life situation, very practical, very useful.
Exactly. And don't worry, everyone. We will go step by step. Simple phrases, clear examples, easy expressions. You can do this.
You can absolutely do this. So let's imagine something together. David, you are standing in front of a restaurant. You open the door. What's the first thing you say?
I smile and say, hello.
Perfect. Simple and confident. Hello, or you can say hi.
So easy. No stress. Just smile and say hello.
Exactly. Then the host or the waiter might say, how many people?
Ah, yes. So I say, a table for two, please.
Very good. Everyone, repeat that. A table for two, please.
Or if you are alone, you say, a table for one, please.
And if you have three people?
A table for three, please.
Perfect. So the structure is a table for and then the number. Very simple, very useful.
And don't forget the magic word.
Please.
Yes, please makes everything more polite. Politeness is powerful.
I love that. Politeness is powerful. So the waiter says, this way, please, or follow me, please.
And I follow the waiter to my table like a happy, hungry customer.
Exactly. You sit down. Now, what do you need first?
The menu. Definitely the menu.
Right. The menu shows you the food and drinks. If the waiter doesn't give it to you, what can you say?
Can I have the menu, please?
Beautiful. That is a very polite question. Can I have the menu, please?
Not give me the menu. That sounds a little rude.
Yes, that's an important teaching moment. Give me is too direct. Instead, say, can I have or may I have?
So now I have the menu. I open it. I see starters, main courses, desserts, and drinks.
Let's explain those words. A starter is a small dish you eat first, for example, soup or salad.
A main course is the big main dish, like chicken, pasta, fish, or my favorite, hamburger.
Of course. And dessert is something sweet at the end. Cake, ice cream, chocolate.
Chocolate cake, my weakness.
We all have one. And finally, drinks. Water, juice, soda, tea, coffee.
So I look at the menu. I'm thinking. I'm choosing. Then the waiter comes and says, "Are you ready to order?"
That's a very common question. Are you ready to order?
If I am ready, I say, "Yes, I am."
Or simply, yes, please.
And if I need more time?
You can say, just a minute, please. Or, I need a few more minutes, please.
Very useful. So now I'm ready. How do I order politely?
Instead of saying, I want a hamburger, which is okay, but a little direct, you can say, I would like the hamburger, please.
I would like sounds much better.
Yes, it sounds polite and natural. You can also say, I'll have the hamburger, please.
That's short for I will have. Very common in restaurants.
Let's practice. I'm the waiter. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Excellent. And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
And would you like something to drink?
Yes, I would like a glass of water, please.
Perfect. Notice how David always says please. That's excellent English manners.
Good manners make good impressions.
Exactly. Then the waiter might repeat the order. For example, so that's 1 tomato soup, 1 grilled chicken, and 1 glass of water.
And I say, yes, that's right. Thank you.
Very good. Now you wait for your food, you talk with your friend, you practice English, you relax.
Then the waiter brings your food and says, enjoy your meal.
And what do you say?
Thank you.
Simple. During the meal, the waiter might ask, is everything okay?
If it's good, I say, yes, everything is great. Thank you. Or it's delicious.
Delicious means very, very tasty. Very good.
If I need more water, I say, excuse me.
Yes, excuse me is used to get someone's attention politely.
Then I say, can I have some more water, please?
Excellent. Or, can I have some more bread, please? Very natural.
So everything is going well. I finish my meal. I am full, very full.
But maybe you want dessert.
Of course I want dessert.
The waiter might ask, would you like to see the dessert menu?
And I say, yes, please.
Then you choose and say, I would like the chocolate cake, please.
I think I say that too often.
That's okay. Practice makes perfect.
Finally, it's time to pay. How do I ask for the bill?
You say, can I have the bill, please? In American English, many people say, can I have the check, please?
Bill and check mean the same thing. Good to know.
Yes, the bill is brought. If you want to pay by card, you can say, can I pay by card?
Or do you take credit cards?
Exactly. When you give your money or card, you can say, here you are.
That's a very useful expression. Here you are.
After paying, you stand up and say, thank you, goodbye.
Or, thank you, have a nice day.
That leaves a very good impression.
Anna, when we break it down step by step, it feels so easy.
That's the key. Break it down, step by step. Simple phrases. Repeat them. Practice them.
Let's review some key expressions. A table for two, please. Can I have the menu, please? I would like. I'll have. Can I have the bill, please?
And don't forget, excuse me, please, and thank you.
These small words make a big difference.
They really do. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to feel nervous.
Yes, most people are friendly and patient. If you try, that's what matters.
So everyone listening, we encourage you, practice at home. Do role plays. One person is the waiter, one person is the customer.
Make it fun. Add a little drama. Maybe someone orders 10 desserts.
David!
I'm just practicing.
Well, we hope today's episode helped you feel more confident about speaking English at a restaurant.
Confidence comes from practice. Practice comes from repetition. So repeat these phrases out loud.
Yes, speak with us. Don't just listen. Speak.
And before we go, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Is it pizza, pasta, sushi, a big hamburger like David?
Hey, hamburgers are classic.
They are. Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing every day.
Keep smiling.
And keep speaking English with confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.